Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you XLOOKUP for approximate match, but this time we look for next larger value than what we have in the search key, right? So I'm going to write the formula. Let me decide like what criteria should be given for the age 8, which is in between 5 and 13. Let's assume 12 as an example. X lookup, and then I'm going to look for 12. What should I give the category of 12-year-old, right? So I cannot give every single age category here, but roughly I can give, like, if he is 5 years old, his child; if he is 13, then teen; if he is 18, then adult. But what if somebody falls between these age groups? So that's where this formula help us out. So I'm going to look for 18. I'm sorry, 12-year-old. So this is a lookup range, and this is a result range. And then for missing value, I'm going to write NA, and then the match mode would be 1, which means it goes to the next higher value, whatever after this age. The 12 falls between 5 and 13. 5 is less than 12, but 13 is greater than 12. So it goes to the next larger or higher value and give us the result, which means the 12-year-old can be considered as teen. Let's write it down as a number 17, the age 17. So for 17, we are saying that which falls under 13 and 18. So we should not tell him or her that she is a teen, but rather by this formula we can categorize them as an adult, because this is more closer to 18 than 13. So that's the reason we are giving the adult status to 17 years old. So you can apply the scenario to anywhere where if you want to give a leverage to the person or to the scenario, you can use 1. But if you don't want to give a leverage, then you can use -1, which will gives you the next smaller value. This we already discussed in the last video. So that is it from my end, and I'll provide a copy of this sheet in the description so that you can practice by your end. Make sure you copy this sheet and then practice. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in next video.